ஒன்று வந்து சொல்லணும்னா அது வந்து டொனாலிட்டி யூஸ் பண்ணோம். 2 பேர் இருந்தாங்களா. Their names are A and B. B is the winner, A is the killer.
Genius.
You're a genius. We love you.
Great.
You'll do great.
Doing amazing. Doing amazing. Please.
Communicate only we can success. We cannot communicate, we cannot success. So we tell only we can success. Our time no success. There are 2 persons in village. The 2 persons name is A and B. The 2 persons going to pottery workshop. A built 5 hearts in 1 part perfection shaped part. The B is 5 hearts unshaped parts. So B is the winner action and A is the perfection.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.